Hello and welcome to another episode of Obie'z Lab. Today we're going to make the Snapmaker 2.0 3D printer. It's been sitting here for 1 year to 2 years already, and we haven't really had the space to build it yet, but since I built the expansion on the bench, we're ready to go. So let's get to it and start building. Oh. He came in ancient time. He was a man of gold and silver. No frankincense or myrrh. Just a man of gold and silver. He came in ancient times. Was a man of gold and silver. I love this printer. So much easier to build this printer than having to build one from scratch that's a bunch of frickin' cut pieces, and this is just so much better. Now if they would have made the Folger pen just as easy, I would have had it up and running for 2 years ago. I should have just bought 2 of these bad boys. Okay. Woo. It's freaking done.
As I laugh about how nuts it is, then we ran into firmware updates, and on top of that, it wanted to print all the way at the top. It didn't want to print on the bed. It wanted to print a foot up off the ground, so we had to fix that. After fixing that, I finally decided to print my girlfriend's Bulbasaur that I was supposed to print it 1.5 years ago. So now I'm doing Bulbasaurs. I made a 20% one, a 30% one. I'm working on a 40% one, and I'm probably going to go all the way to 100, maybe 175% on these. Thank you everybody for watching Obie'z Lab. Feel free to comment, like, or subscribe, and stay tuned for more 3D printing and other Obie'z Lab videos.